Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do two quick little coasters on these wooden coasters I have. With my pretty color combination that I just did a big one with, the turquoises and purples. So I'm going to do two and see what we get. I'll maybe use two different color orders. Okay, so I'm trying not to use too much. So this one is Phthalo Turquoise by Deco Art. Gotta give it another shake. Try not to use a lot. This is just little. Okay, now some ultramarine violet by Amsterdam. Pearl Lavender by Arteza. Lavender purple, I guess. I'm going to put the turquoise next, aquamarine by Folk Art. Probably too much on here already. Oh well. And then Arteza Royal Purple. Oh, gold, my gold. I've got my gold. Just a little bit, just a little dab will do ya. Now that purple, royal purple. A little bit of black. Well, that's a lot of paint. It's going to tip it this way a little bit. I love that gold in the middle, a hint of gold. Okay, I think it's ready for a spin. That's pretty nice. I think I like this one. Put my other one up. Should be plenty. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for coming by if you're already subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you like these. Comment below. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. I have lots of videos on the bloom technique. And in the description of the video is a drop down and there's my recipes for the bloom technique. All right, I'm gonna put this dark phthalo turquoise down underneath again. I like it on the bottom because it does take over if you don't put it on the bottom. I might just switch a couple of purples. I'm gonna switch these two. So I'll put this one, Arteza purple, next. And then I'll put the pearl. Probably won't be much different, but and then it's turquoise. gold. I have a lot of paint on there again. Oops, now my ultramarine violet. Okay, world's smallest mini blower. World's smallest blower. I got it from Amazon. It's well used. All the cells. Ooh. Not as many cells this time. I wonder if I can just blow this one with my breath and see what I get. Oh dear. Give it another few seconds or minute to see if this closes in a bit. Look at that little cluster there. Well, I gotta go upstairs and put my bread in the oven after this. I do have a baking channel if anybody's interested in sourdough or baking treats. Carole Bakes is the name. I think I have a link in the description, or my name anyway. Okay, I'm going to give this a spin. More purple showing because I put the darker purple on the top, so I can see more purple on this one. I like this. I need to poke that. Just by changing one color order, you get such a different result. That's very pretty. See if I can put these side by side so you can see. There. See, I just reversed one purple and two purples, and that one showed more on the top. They're both very pretty. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried results at the end of the video. Have a great day. Hi everyone. There's the dried tiles. Look how beautiful they are. Coasters, I should say. Pretty gold in the middle. I love this purple. And this one's pretty too. Not as much purple, but nice gold in the middle. A little bit of purple there. There. Thanks for watching and have a great day.